Hello everyone, my name is Pingshen, and today I am here representing my group to present our project for DSC Hack for Good Hackathon. We have chosen to tackle the topic of aphasia, and more importantly, we want to increase their engagement with the community. So let's start. Aphasia is very common among stroke patients. It can affect the person's ability to speak and understand languages in both verbal and written form. And this means that they may speak in short and incomplete sentences, and the sentences sometimes do not make sense. They also may not understand other people's conversation. It is therefore not surprising that people with aphasia tend to withdraw from the social activities and suffer from isolation and depression. Now with that in mind, let's talk about how the rest of the world connects. Now, I believe social media is no stranger to all of us, but do you know that despite their popularity, the number of users of social media is still increasing every year? Hence, we propose that we can enable people with aphasia to return to meaningful engagement in the community by tapping on the popularity of social media. To do that, we need to make reading and writing easy for them. To help aphasia patients to write and read more easily on social media, we are going to use emojis. There are three reasons why we have chosen emoji. The first is that they are able to represent meaningful concepts. Second, for aphasia patients, their visual spatial processing abilities are actually preserved, which means that they can actually understand and capture the meaning of images just like the rest of us. And finally, there is a study that finds icons are just as effective as images in conveying meaning. Now with that in mind, I will just introduce to you our project called the Project Aphasia Social. Aphasia Social to aphasia patients is just like natural language to the rest of us, like English or Mandarin. So let's see how do we do that. There are two parts to our solution. The first is called the emoji board. The emoji board has three very important value propositions. The first is structured ideation. As you can see from the user interface here, there are four distinct categories. In each of them, we have carefully picked some of the simple and intuitive emojis that represents the common concepts. For example, emotions as well as activities like dancing. And finally, they are also able to upload photos. And after that, they can just perform one click to post on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. This is where the magic happens. The meanings of the emojis are extracted and then used to construct complete English sentences. The emoji bot helps users to write, and the emoji translator helps users to read. It is a Chrome extension that is backed by an algorithm that extracts the meaning of sentences and reconstruct them using emojis. The algorithm is smart enough in a way that even without the original images, you are able to deduce the meanings. The extension also takes another extra mile by removing some of the unnecessary and distracting elements of social media pages. This is very important because if you have too much text being crammed on the web page itself, it will serve as a stress for aphasia users. That is all about Project Aphasia Social. It is a solution that makes use of current natural language processing techniques to tackle the linguistic challenges faced by aphasia patients. The end result is millions of aphasia patients can now have a way to reconnect with billions in the world through social media. We are excited to see it live. If you are feeling the same, please go ahead and try out our prototype. Thank you.